For all those grocery delivery lovers out there, you can now have a credit card that is specially designed just for you. The first and new credit card from Instacart is now available for you to use. And this is a new concept for credit cards and food delivery companies. And so, in this video, we will look at the features of the all-new Chase Instacart card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest business world news for you to keep up to date with. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more insightful and amazing content. So, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you are always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. And so, without further ado, let's start with today's video. Chase just recently launched a new credit card with its co-brand partner called Instacart. The Instacart MasterCard credit card is said to be the first co-brand credit card in the on-demand delivery space, and it also offers a solid rewards rate on Instacart purchases. However, other bonus categories are fairly limited, so it may only be worth considering if you already use Instacart regularly. To start off, the card has no annual fee. And to coincide with the launch, new applicants can receive around $200 Instacart credit and 1 year of free Instacart Plus automatically on your account approval. However, this special offer is limited to the first 10,000 applicants who get the new Chase Instacart credit card before August 4, 2022. And after its limited time offer period is over, all new applicants will receive a $100 Instacart credit as well as 1 year of free Instacart Plus. This makes this card even more exciting. Instacart Plus members also receive perks such as free delivery, which is subject to order minimums, reduced fees, account credits for pickup orders, and many more other perks. With the new Chase Instacart card, you get 5% cashback on Instacart purchases made at more than 800 regional, national, and local retail brands from more than 70,000 stores across more than 5,500 cities. Moreover, you also get 2% cashback on restaurants, gas stations, and also select streaming services, a 5% cashback on any travel you have purchased through the Chase Travel Center, as well as 1% cashback on all other purchases you make. Additionally, the first 10,000 customers who apply and get approved will receive a $200 credit toward Instacart purchases, as well as 1 free year of Instacart Plus. And after that, new account holders will receive a $100 Instacart credit and 1 free year of Instacart Plus. There is no minimum spending requirement in both cases, which is rare among rewards credit cards in both these cases. You can earn exciting rewards for Instacart orders, cashback, or travel. These rewards can be redeemed in the form of cashback for a statement credit or any direct deposit, with no redemption minimums, or to book travel by using the Chase Travel Portal. And in the future, card members will also have the ability to earn many rewards for Instacart orders on the website or on their app. Other card member advantages will include no foreign transaction fees, World Elite MasterCard benefits such as rental car protection, purchase protection, extended warranty protection, lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, as well as many other travel-related protections. Since Chase offers the Instacart MasterCard, we assume it will be subject to the 524 rule. You can check out more details about the application rules in Chase's Ultimate Guide to Credit Card Application Restrictions. But how can you maximize your Instacart purchases? Firstly, you can earn 1 mile each dollar spent with Instacart grocery deliveries, excluding the taxes, fees, and also the tips by linking your Delta SkyMiles and Instacart accounts. You can then click through the Rakuten shopping portal to earn 1 to 2% cashback, or you could think of it like 1 to 2 American Express membership rewards points on Instacart purchases. Then finally, you can use an Instacart promo code to save money at checkout. The new Chase Instacart credit card may not be the right fit if you already have a good card for groceries. There are a lot of credit cards that have excellent rewards rates on household necessities such as groceries, and also Instacart is usually included in the grocery category. But if you use Instacart regularly and you are earning far below the Instacart credit card's 5% rewards rate on those purchases, this new Chase credit card might be worth it. This credit card does offer bonus rewards on other categories as well, But travel options through the Chase Travel Center might not always be solid or your go-to, and the rewards rate for restaurants, gas stations, as well as select streaming services is relatively low compared to what many other credit cards have to offer. It is also very important to consider that this card won't give you bonus rewards on in-store grocery shopping. So, if you happen to be looking for a card that will give you extra cash back or points, whether or not you are shopping in person or through Instacart, go with another credit card with grocery rewards. So, should you get the new Chase Instacart MasterCard? Of course, this will all eventually come down to your daily or weekly spending habits. For instance, if you plan to use Instacart or already use it regularly, there is plenty of upside to having this card. Moreover, you will be able to earn a higher rate of rewards on your grocery spend, score a free Instacart Plus membership for almost a full year, as well as have the flexibility to earn your rewards for cashback in the form of a statement credit or direct deposit with Chase Travel Center purchases. And also, coming soon this fall, all the credits toward part or all of your Instacart orders. Moreover, when you put this card against a travel credit card like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you will find similar rewards rates and card perks for only a $95 annual fee. And even though you get a notably higher welcome bonus with the Sapphire Preferred, you will earn much more rewards on Instacart purchases with the Instacart MasterCard, which has around 5% versus 3x points on eligible delivery services with their preferred card. Also, another likely comparison in the Chase card family is one or more of the Freedom cards. And both Chase Freedom Unlimited and Chase Freedom Flex have no annual fee and offer rewards in common categories, like dining, which, keeping in mind, includes eligible delivery services, drugstore purchases, and Chase Travel Center purchases. These cards, however, you don't get offered rewards on gas station purchases through this credit card and the Instacart MasterCard that offers a higher 5% rate on delivery services, even though specifically with Instacart, of course. It is also worth mentioning that the new Chase credit card users can use Instacart to order from hundreds of retailers that include brands such as Best Buy, PetSmart, Staples, Walgreens, Lowe's, Dick's Sporting Goods, Bath & Body Works, and much more. This basically means that now you can earn 5% back on electronics, beauty products, as well as sports gear. So, in other words, this exciting new credit card will provide you a convenient catch-all method to boost your rewards in spending categories that may not be covered with other rewards credit cards. The question of whether you should or should not apply for the all-new Instacart MasterCard will come down to a pair of considerations. At first, you need to consider whether or not you are eligible for this new credit card based on the list of application rules. And secondly, you should try to consider whether or not you already have credit cards that can provide the relevant benefits, which include Instacart Plus, as well as the rewards to be earned in the bonus earning categories. If the Instacart MasterCard offers benefits you do not currently have, such as waiving your delivery fees on Instacart orders, it can make sense to add to your wallet. However, other credit cards provide better earnings in several of this card's bonus categories. Well, guys, that is all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think this new credit card is a game changer? Will you apply for it? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be always up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it is uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.